Well, hello there, this is John again. I did a review on the EXPROTREK camera that is recording this, and it worked pretty good, except for the audio. It sounded like the noise cancellation was having problems. So I contacted the sellers of this camera, and they said I should reset the camera and try again. So that's what I've just did. And you're now hearing the reset version, so we'll take it outside and see how it sounds. Why, it's a beautiful day out here today. I wonder what the temperature is. Let's just see. Yeah, it's 104, 102, so that's pretty warm. What's it like on the ground? There it says 104, 105. Yeah, that's about right. So I'm just hoping that this video problem's been solved. See how the pepper plants are all looking pretty good, and the smallest one is the most lush. So I don't know what caused that. We've got loads of Scottish thistle here growing in the garden, which is good. You know, the birds love them, they eat the seeds. Let's see what the temperature on the wall is. 127 degrees, that's pretty hot.